Hi, once again, this is Edwin Pineda, and welcome in this video training. And on this video training, I will teach you this great software utilities, okay, which you can use as a cell phone technician. So, if you have read my blog posts previously, I have written a post about Download Manager because if we uh, we observe what we do every day, we are in the downloading business. Do you agree with that? Okay, yes, we are in the downloading business. And if you are not downloading anything from the internet, you are not in the business, okay, in repairing cell phones. So what do we do? Download the firmware, softwares, installers from these websites. And how can you make your downloading much faster is by using a reliable internet connection from your internet service provider. And another thing you can do is by using a download manager. So in this video I will show you the internet download manager. I have been using this for almost a decade as well, since the day I started repairing cell phones, and this is very useful in downloading firmware installers, and sometimes I do download videos, mp3 sounds. Okay, this is very useful. So what I'm gonna show you here is I'm gonna one of the most uh, important use of download manager is it allows you to resume the download. Okay, so I'll show you here how to resume the download. So last night I started to download this firmware and I have to close the store, so I'll need to resume now this firmware download. So this is a my phone, my 27. So all I have to do is to click resume here, and now this download manager will uh, look for the firmware for the file. Okay, and let's see and wait. Okay, so after that it cannot resume, so all you have to do is to click OK, and now it will open the website URL, excuse me, where the firmware is located. So you have to do or do again the process in downloading this firmware. So this firmware is stored or uploaded at shared website. So just click that pre-download here, and you'll have to wait for this 60-second time until you can download the firmware. Okay, so while it is downloading, I also told you the another add-on. Okay, a download manager from web browser, the Firefox. Download all. Okay, download them all add-ons from web browser using Firefox. So I think that this one another uh, you can use, okay, in downloading. But from my previous experience, you can only stop the download at least once or twice, but you cannot resume it again. So there is also a downside in using that download with all. But if you have a good internet connection, you can also do that, use that as well. Download them all using add-on Firefox with Firefox, and that is a free software utilities. Okay, and also it supports and download almost any kind of files from the internet. So as you can see here, the waiting time has finished. So I'll click the save file, then I'll click OK, and then the files is, you will see it is downloaded using the browser. So what I'm going to do here is I will click the copy download link. Okay, and then I will now go to my internet download manager. I will right click that one, click properties, and I will paste the URL here, and after that I will click OK, then I will click resume. So as you can see, I have resumed my download from here. Not not from the beginning. So that is the usefulness or the advantage of using the a download manager compared to using your default web browser. Okay, if you're using web browser, if there's an uh, fluctuation from your electricity, okay, I'm sure that your downloading will be cancelled, and you will, and if you want to resume it, you will need to start right from the beginning. So that is when using web browser. So that is why I highly recommend that you use an internet download manager, and this is very simple to use, and it supports almost all kinds of files that you can download from the internet. So if you are interested in using this download manager, I will leave a link down below, and you can get that using that link. Okay, and by the way, that is an affiliate link, and I do appreciate if you will buy this software from my link, because I get some income from that, and I'll be using that in order to fuel the content and the information that I'll be sharing you in repairing a cell phone. Okay, if you want to learn how to repair cell phones, that can be useful as well. You could help me, and I could help you as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.